Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the very responsive and beautiful login form using React. So this is very professional. You will be able to see the very professional login form. You will see here. There is a role and we are simple system. Okay, so this one you have to put into your project. Okay, this is all the way login form. You can put it to your project. Okay, so here the simple one. Okay, here. Okay, this code I'll provide you. You will be able to get them. So you can see here. So how to make this? So you can, if you are not enter anything else, click on this. All field are required. If you enter, select the role and click login successful. I just entered. Okay, I'm not going to connect any database or anything else. Just a login form. Okay, this template you can use it any other dashboards of your project. Okay, so let's see how to do the system step by step. Let's go to F drive. I'm going to create a new project, React login. Now here I'm going to install the React. So how to install the React? You have to go here, type, then go to the Google and type white, which is it's nothing but a front end tool. Click on this. You can get this window. You can see this window. You'll be able to see this window. So this window, you can what you're going to do is I got get started. You can get this one. So here I'm going to install this one. npm create white latest. You have to copy this command. You just copy this command. Open up your command from, paste on it. Okay, login. Use a login. Press enter key on your keyboard. Now you have to wait until the installation complete. So here we have to ask the project name. I'm going to get login. Press enter key. Here I would select the framework which is as a React. Okay, here we have a up and down arrow of your keyboard. You have to select React. Press enter key. I'm going along with the JavaScript. After that, you have to follow the instruction cd login. Press enter key. npm install. You have to wait until the npm installation has been completed. You have to wait. That's the process you have to do it. My package has been installed successfully. Now I'm going to open cd React. Code space dot, because I already in this folder login. Here we are already in this particular folder. Now I want to open that project in my VS Code, their entire project. So we have to type the command code space dot, press enter key. Now you have to wait. Your project is open on the VS Code editor successfully. You will be able to see over here. To open the VS Code editor successfully. Now I'm going to go to the public folder. Here this is src. This is you can see the app.css, app.jsx. You can able to see here. Main.jsx or the file structure you will be able to see over here. You can see. Okay. So here you will be able to see the files. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the this is your index.html file. Okay, so this is your main file of the React. This is your main file of the React. Okay, this is how the React flow works. So you can see this is your src main.jsx. This file, this is a simple one page HTML. Okay, this is only one page HTML. React work as a component base. Okay, not a pages base. Okay, so here component base. So you can see the first time inside the body is calling the main.jsx file. What is in main.jsx file reside on the inside the src folder, the main.jsx. The main.js rendering the component which is app component. This is not a file. This is a component. Okay, it's app component. Okay, the very first time React app welcome page display as an app component. Okay, app component reside inside the src folder app.js. This is a app component. Click on this. How to implement the app component here? There is a function app. Okay, if you have to create the function, you have to export outside. Then only you will be able to access this function, this component everywhere of the program. If you have to export it. Okay, so now this is the welcome page. Okay, so welcome page. So what you're going to do is this. I'm going to go to get this all the things. What you're going to do is you have to go to my this design. This is all the things I will be give this code. I have give the description below. You have to get them. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so what you're going to do is this is my design. This is a design. Okay, so the app.js. Okay, I just copy this code. All the Control C copy, Control 8 select all, Control B to paste. Okay, all the codes. Okay, this is all the source code. Okay, so no problem here. This app folder, it's open. This is nothing but the arrow function. This is the arrow function. This is normal, not a function app. Instead of you have to write the arrow function. Okay, this is the professional way to do the JavaScript program using the arrow function. Okay, so arrow function, what you're going to see here, we have a here you can see stop it. You can see some other problem. Okay, the app function you can see we have a implement the use state which nothing but a storing the value. Okay, so here first time I am going to expand these are the simple design. Okay, if you can create your own CSS style of this page, you can implement this. So that I have to put it here. Okay, here I just implemented over here. If you like, you can this all the styles. You have to put the separate folder and you have to implement it. You can reduce the line of the code. That is a efficient way. So I have to do it like this way. So it's no problem. So this is the one container. You have to type one container. Container, this is a flags. Justify container center, alignment container center mean it's look like this one. Here, this is justify container center, alignment container center. This form should be this container should be displayed at the center of the screen. Okay, justify container center, align center center. Height I have set at this side. Okay, this side. Height you have set this side. Okay, so here the height. You have to increase the height, you can see 200. It increased. It will be incremented. Little bit it incremented. So I will keep on this one. So okay. Sorry, not this. Yes, this here. It's not working here. Now you can see here. Here it's go here. So space is 100 mean it is a fix on this size limit. Okay, so here this is a div. We have a small container style 350, background color is padding, border size, border shadow. These all things you have implemented on this design, this content. This is the border out, border background radius and everything, box shadow and everything we have implemented. After that we have set the background color, padding, align center, all things, font size, all things we have given over here the heading. What is the heading? Now this is the heading. Now I am going to go to implement the bootstrap in our project. So bootstrap implementation, there is a bootstrap, it's a front end framework. So we have to go over here. We have to go to the bootstrap respective website. You have to type you have to go to the Google and type on it bootstrap. You type on it over here bootstrap. Okay, this is a bootstrap respective website. You will be able to see the respective website of bootstrap. Click on this. Okay, so this is the bootstrap CSS site. My machine is little bit stuck. Okay, don't worry. This click on this Bootstrap CSS. You are copy the Bootstrap CSS. You are paste inside. You are go to the index.html. Paste inside that. Control S to save all. Okay, so the my previous project I am going to stop it. So the I already running the previous project. I'm going to stop it so that the port is have a problem. Okay, so this is my project. Okay, that's it. That's how. Okay, first you have to copy the code from my course name. I have given the video description on the app folder, app.js folder. Second one, you have to implement the Bootstrap. These two things you have to implement the project. Okay. Now let's go for the design step by step. Okay, I have completed up to login. After that, this form consists of username, password, and user role. There are three various options. A user where you can enter the username, where you register the user. When you register the user, what is the username? You entered over here. So we have given the simple style over here. Okay, this class for name, you have to implement the Bootstrap style. Okay, along with the Bootstrap style, we have to design the custom design as well. Custom design, we have to have a border and border radius and padding with everything you have to implement. The same input, we have to implement the password as well. Only we have to the password field type as we have changed as password, the same things we have to write. Okay. Third one, this is user role. Okay, what's the user role? You have selected pharmacist. If it is select as pharmacist. If it is doctor, it will be select as doctor. What's the role you are selected? It is react on the role which is selected on the drop down. That's the thing you have to write it. After that, we have one button which is a login button. If you click sign in, it goes to the on click method which is a login. Get it over here. First you have to check whether all the fields are empty or not. If it is empty, you display the message is all fields are required. If it is not empty, it display as a login successful message. Okay, so here I'm not making any validation part. If you connect with the database, okay, your backend. So backend, and you can using your API, and you can test it over here whether the username and password coming from your backend. You can equal into the front end, and you can check whether the username and password match with the backend value coming from the front end. You can check it. Okay, so every validation part we have to check in on here. This function is empty. When you have a backend application, you can testing on here. Okay, that's the thing. This is a validation part. This is a handle change event mean. This simply you have the form data name value mean. Here it will be handle click mean. Here this handle change. If you are type the username, it will be stored over here. Username, it will be changed. Once you change the username, it will be changed. Okay, that's how this event will be work. Simply you have to get this one. It's started. It will be working. Okay, username and password, and this one should be the user tag. Okay, that's simple form design I have implemented. Okay, here this everything here, this one here, the form data, which is form data. It's everything form data. It is form data. The form data, username, password, everything. Okay, you have to make it as a form data. Okay, the form data, you have to get username, password, and user tag. Okay, it will be we are storing as a user use tag. This is a professional way to you have to implement the React application. Okay, it's very simple way to implement the React application. Okay, this is all the source code I provide in my website. You will be able to download and use them. And thank you for watching.